Hello everyone. So today I was at the nursery and I saw these ladybugs just staying there and I decided to free them. So we're going to add them into the garden. As you guys see, there's like some aphids on this garlic. So these ladybugs will munch on some aphids today, and it's recommended to release them in the evening. While they're still slow. So we just add a few and then they'll make it their home, hopefully. And you see they're already crawling up on them. I will add some of them like on these tomatoes, since I know that they're susceptible to aphids. So yeah, just adding some at the base, sprinkling them on. Like this tomato right here, protect these tomatoes. So yeah, just adding all these little ladybugs. I think so, like right here, the base, and they're crawling all over me, but we are releasing them in the nighttime. I think right here near the onions. And then look, there's way more here, so we will be releasing all of them.